Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make this super easy tulle flower. To cut this fabric, we are going to use a soldering iron. If you haven't watched my tutorial about how to cut fabric with soldering iron, please see the description below. Now I'll give you a quick view on how I cut the fabric. We heat up the soldering iron and start cutting. You can search this flower shape by typing 8 petals flower template on Google. If you don't want to use soldering iron, you can cut this with scissors because tulle fabric will not fray. You can see it's perfectly cut. Make 14 pieces of this flower shape. To arrange this flower, take 2 pieces and fold down. Add a dab of glue to hold them in place. Now we make the second layer. Put this on top of the first layer. Make the third layer and put it on top of second layer. And the last one. We put this on top of the third layer. And now take the first layer, put it on top of the last layer. We make another one, except this time we only use 3 layers. Let's see how I arrange this. And now we attach them together. Now take the stamen of pistils attach this to the center of our flower. Secure the pistil with hot glue. And now to finish this off, we cut this and secure it with hot glue. And our tulle flower is finished. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe.